Good day, everyone. This is Professor A, and today I'll be discussing about the 9 components of a comprehensive mission statement. So get your pen and paper and write down notes. So what are the 9 components of a comprehensive mission statement? So before that, let's review the vision statement. So the vision statement to become the premier brand for durable, versatile, and stylish cargo pants, empowering individuals to tackle any adventure with confidence and comfort while driving profitable growth and market leadership. Now, as you notice, the vision statement is also a comprehensive vision statement. It is because it is inspirational, clear and concise, and future oriented. Now, moving on to the 9 components of a comprehensive mission statement. Number one, customer. Number two, products or services. Number three, markets. Number four, technology. Number five, concern for survival, growth, and profitability. Number six, philosophy. Number seven, self-concept. Number eight, concern for public image. And number nine, concern for employees. Now, let's check its description. Customer or identification of the primary customer groups or target audience that the organization aim to serve. Products or services. These are the primary offerings or the description of the main products or service of the organization or of the business. Markets. These are the geographical regions or the markets in which the organization operates. Technology or the core technologies used or innovations leveraged by organizations to deliver its products or services. Concern for survival, growth, and profitability. These are the organization's commitment to economic objectives and financial health. Philosophy. These are the values, beliefs, and ethical priorities that guide the organization's behavior and decision-making process. Self-concept or the organization's self-perception, core competencies, and key strengths that distinguish it from competitors. Concern for public image. This is the organization's commitment to social responsibility, community involvement, and maintaining a positive public image. Concern for employees. The organization's attitude towards its employees, including their well-being and development. So these are the 9 comprehensive components of a mission statement that you should include in your mission statement. Watch out for my new videos because I will be giving an example relative to the cargo pants which we already use as our example product or sample product for this particular lesson about BMGO. So to learn more, follow me on my social media accounts. This is Professor A and have a great day.